Jump on here and introduce a new way to create, really to just bulk create Instagram posts using Chat GPT and Canva. Those are the two main things that I use with graphic design when I'm using marketing. And I really just wanted to get on here and just show you how easy and how simple it is and how you can do it yourself with just a few steps. So we're going to jump on in. So first thing I do is I'm going to go onto my Google Chrome. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I already have Chat GPT opened up, and I actually have the extension over here. So if you want to go on their website, it's chatopenai.com. If you are not able to log in right away, then you might need to go ahead and create an account. I do pay monthly for this, so this is not the free version that you're seeing right here, especially with the Chat GPT prompts. Yeah, I pay for the premium. So definitely worth the hype. Definitely worth checking out. If you are a blogger, if you own any kind of small business, I'm also a family photographer and I use this for my social media accounts all the time, on the daily. I'm constantly using this. And if you can't get on their website, go to Bing. They have an extension for it. So we're going to go ahead and start. ChatGPT lets you, I mean, you can talk to it. It's amazing. It's AI. Let's go on here. So I am a mom blogger and I'm also a family photographer, like I said. And how I would go about doing this to bulk create, those prompts, super easy. I'm going to ask it, what are 30 tips for working stay-at-home moms? Let's see what it comes up with. Look, how quick. Wow. So, I mean, depending on what your niche is, so let's just say that you are, a digital marketer. You can go on here and ask it, what is 30 or 50, 60, 100 days? You can even go as far as asking it to build you, a schedule. Yeah, ChatGPT is amazing. So let's see what it says. Establish a routine. Set a daily schedule to create structure and balance. That is a great tip. Set boundaries. Let's see. Take breaks. Give yourself regular breaks to recharge and avoid burnout. Absolutely. I am a boy mom. I have 2 boys myself, and absolutely. Get dressed. To any mom, not even just a working stay-at-home mom, just a mom in general. Just getting up and getting out of bed, washing your face, getting dressed. I can tell you right now, these things, practice self-care. Ooh, I don't know what just happened. Whoopsie daisies. Practice self-care, meditation, hobbies. I highlighted that. Let's see. Learn to say no. Ooh, yes. Learn to say no. Let's see. Find a work-life balance. If we wanted to go even further, so let's just say this. So let's highlight this. Well, if my mouse would cooperate with us. Let's see. Finding work-life balance. I want to highlight this. Okay. Yes. Sorry, guys. Here we go. No, I don't want to go back on here. No. There we go. So let's copy. Let's see. So if we wanted to go even deeper, because we always want to be more helpful, I've noticed with blogging, any way that you can just be more helpful in general to Google with SEO, that's what you want. You want to be the most helpful person in your niche. That is with every single thing that I do, with every post that I lay out, with every single thing that I type into Chat GPT, OpenAI. It is constantly just targeting for SEO. Always. And if you're not familiar with that, go on to my blog. Immediately after this, I'm going to add a link down below for you guys to follow along with me. Let's see. And you can get some good tips. Give me, let's say, 14 tips on finding work-life balance as a stay-at-home mom who works full time. Let's see. Just in case we wanted to, create just a 2-week overview. Let's see. Wow, look. We took it just a little step further. And this is just for, the one that I highlighted here, finding work-life balance. Because I think on its own, just finding that balance, do we ever even find balance? I mean, honestly, as moms, every time I feel like I'm finding some sort of balance, I'm just, finding something new that I need to balance out. But mom life. Wow, yes. Maximize efficiency. Learning to say no, that's on here again. Seek support. Connect with other working moms or join support groups. Let's see. Be present in the moment. That is a great one. Okay, so we're going to take these. We're going to copy this. And I already have Google spreadsheets. You can use Excel if you want to, but I use Google spreadsheets. And all we're going to do is literally go in here. We're going to paste. Just as easy as that is. Okay. So, rewind it. We're on ChatGPT. We copied this. We went and we opened up Google Sheets. We pasted right in there. And it has all of that. Okay, so let's see. We go File. We are going to, let's see, download. And we're going to do CSV. Okay, so again, we're going to go File, Download, CSV. Wow. So we're going to open this. Yes. And we have it as untitled spreadsheet. Okay. So now that we have that saved, I have the Canva app, and I wanted to let you know that, look, I was working on my toddler's routine chart. Also something to check out on my blog. I wanted to let you know that I am going to link a 30-day trial for you to try Canva Pro down below this video. Canva is amazing, and it is an affiliate link, so if you were to click on it, I could potentially, with affiliate links, you can potentially earn commission off of those, so I wanted to throw that out there. Something else to check out on my blog. But if you don't have the Canva Pro, definitely just try to familiarize yourself with the free version first. It's definitely worth it. I use this, just like I said, I use Chat GPT, OpenAI for my blog. I use it for everything. Okay, so now that we are in Canva, we're going to hit New. And what are we going to do? We're going to create Instagram post in the square. That's the one that most people are familiar with. Okay. And this is what we're going to do. in here, this little box right here, these are templates. So where it says design, in the brand hub right here, it's amazing. I have my own templates that I've designed myself that I use and I've created, and not just for Instagram, but I mean also for Pinterest. And if you're familiar with blogging, Pinterest is like the sweet spot. That's where to go. Okay, so we're gonna look up, let's say, quotes. Yes. Okay. I've used this one before. I think it's super cute. Here we go. And then we're gonna do apps. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna type in bulk because we are going to be bulk creating. Yes. Upload right here. Check that out, guys. Let's see. Upload CSV, which is what we downloaded from Google Spreadsheets. And it's right there. Boom. Okay. We go. Paste. Okay. Gonna go back. Boundaries. See here. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Here we go. And it says right here, you can see connect data to your element. So right click an element in your page to connect it to your data below. Connect data. Right there. And then once we have that set how we like that, so if you don't like the background, we will mess with that here in a moment. We're going to hit continue. Notice right here that our 2 weeks, so we have 13 more. This is all going to add on its own. And all we have to do is hit generate 13 pages. And it's popping up as its own new little document. Okay, let's see if it worked. Yes, here we go. So what we're gonna do is rename this up here. And we're gonna put this for 14 tips for, and then whatever it was that you chose to make yours about. So let's see, delegate tasks. Yes. Communicate with your employer. Yep. What if you are your own employer? Let's see. Set realistic expectations. This one, I mean, this is for anything that you do, like, whether you're running a small business, whether you are, working from home. But for ours, what I'm doing today is obviously for my niche. Find childcare options. Make the most of flexible hours. Absolutely. Make the most of nap time. And that right there is what you can do to bulk create using Chat GPT. Now, if it were, me, I obviously am not going to use all of these. So where it says, find childcare options, I am a working stay-at-home mom who runs her own businesses, really. I blog and I also do family photography, like I've said. So that one, would be a no for me. Communicate with your employer. I am my own employer, so no, that would obviously not be going on there. This is great to give you ideas. This is great. Like if you, let's say, okay, you wanted to go in there and just get a little bit, deeper for the working stay-at-home mom niche. Let's see, establish a routine. And now I'm just basically showing you guys a little bit more around the Chat GPT. So we're going to copy and we're going to paste on here. If you're on a MacBook Air like I am right now, you highlight what you want and then Command C for copy. And then wherever you're going to paste at, you just Command V. Shortcut link. Let's see. Establish a routine. So create 30 tips for working stay-at-home moms who want to. Boom. Let's see what it says. Look at that. Wow. Yes, yes, yes. Communicate your availability to clients. Yes. Finding that balance right there. Work, family, and personal time to avoid burnout again. And every single time that you type this in here, and I went on here earlier, and I actually, right here, you can see some of my previous searches on here, but it says working stay-at-home moms 30 tips. I went on there and it gave me 30 different answers in this. So every single time that you go on here, it might have some, that are similar, but it says, separate workspace and living space. If possible, establish a dedicated workspace. Whether, to me, that's, having your own personal desk or even just like a spot at your kitchen table where you can sit your computer up or your laptop or, whatever it is that you need to use. Having that, little space that is yours, I know makes just the biggest difference to mamas. Be adaptable and be open to adjusting your routine as your family's needs evolve. Yes, not every single day is going to be different. This is so great. This is so good. I highly suggest checking them out. And if you haven't, you should as soon as you can. And Canva. Another thing for another day, I'll go into this in another video, but you should definitely check out where it says share. I have my Instagram linked. You can also create brand templates. Schedule this. That is another Canva Pro feature that you are, it pays for itself. I can't stress that enough. I'm clapping behind here, by the way. It pays for itself. Yes. Scheduling. If you don't use apps like Tailwind, which I do, which I pay for, this is great. Like there's so many different things. Share on social. Let's see what it says. Look at all these options you can link to your Facebook page. Let's say you own a bakery or you're even a stay-at-home mom who bakes from home as a, like a side hustle. Girl, yes. Anyone, yes. This is where it's at. I highly suggest you check them out, and I hope that you subscribe, you like this video, and let me know what else you'd like to see me work with here on Canva, on Chat GPT, and check out my blog. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.